Since the mid-1960s, the sport of boxing has taken an immeasurable amount of significance in South Africa. In the 1970s, the sport grew tremendously, drawing crowds of followers into boxing arenas. And now, Mbuyekezo Sports Management brings you the evolution of boxing, the one thing that can take the passion of boxing to greater heights, the Mbuyekezo Boxing Channel.
The 24-hour channel for boxing is going to be fantastic.
In South Africa, we need something that's going to be always reminding people that there is boxing. Boxing is still alive.
I believe MBC and then will bring something good, like what I'm expecting, you know, because I'm expecting more fights to be shown 24/7.
It will be a great thing for boxing.
Hi, you're watching MBC and this is Mbuyekezo, a two-time world champion.
I'm Anton Gilmore and you're supporting Mbuyekezo Boxing Channel.
This is NBC channel. I'm looking forward for this channel for boxing to uplift the sport.